Welcome to Borishal Cadet College. I am S.M. Atikur Raja, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Borishal Cadet College, Borishal. Boys, I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Due to Corona pandemic, I could not take your class in your classroom. I have to take your class virtually. Coronavirus is like the flu. Children very rarely get sick, but it feels like a cold. Be careful and tell your parents or teacher if you don't feel good. Tell an adult or your teacher if you don't feel good, you have a cough, your head hurts. For your safety, stay at home, wear mask, wash your hands. Boys, now I am going to take your higher mathematics class for class 11. Today's topic, the straight line from chapter 3F. Learning outcome. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to know about determine the equation of a straight line. Question: find the angle between the lines 5x minus 5y root 3 plus 2 equal to 0 and thrice x root 3 plus thrice y minus 4 equal to 0. Solution: equations of the given lines are 5x minus 5 root 3 y plus 2 equal to 0, which is equation number 1. 3 root 3x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0, which is equation number 2. If the slope of line number 1 is m1, then m1 equal to 1 by root 3. Whereas from this line, if you compared it with y equal to mx plus c, then you get this slope or gradient, which is m1, that is 1 by root 3. If the slope of line number 2 is m2, then m2 equal to minus root 3. Whereas here, if you compared it y equal to mx plus c, then you get this slope. At first, you change the side. Here, you get 3y equal to minus 3 root 3x plus 4. Then, if you divide this by 3, then you get minus root 3x plus 4. So, whereas here slope is minus root 3. Let the angle between lines 1 and 2 is theta. As you know, tan theta equal to plus minus m1 minus m2 plus by 1 plus m1 into m2. So as if you put the value of m1 and m2 in this equation, then you get tan theta equal to plus minus 1 by root 3 plus root 3, 1 plus 1 by root 3 into minus root 3 equal to plus minus 1 by root 3 plus root 3 by 1 minus 1. So whereas here you get 1 by root 3 plus root 3 by 0. Whereas you know something by 0 equal to infinity, which is undefined. From this we can write tan theta equal to tan 90 degree, because boys you know the value of tan 90 degree equal to infinity, that means undefined. So boys here finally we get tan theta equal to tan 90 degree. Boys if we take tan inverse in both sides of this equation, then you get theta equal to 90 degree. So angle of two lines is between two lines is here 90 degree, which is our required solution. Boys, now we solve another problem. A straight line passes through the points 2, 5 and 5, 6. Find the equation of it and show the line will be the perpendicular on the joining points -4, 4, 5 and -3, 2. Solution. Let the point of A is 2, 5, which is given here. Point of B 5, 6. Point of C -4, 5. Point of D -3, 2. Now the equation of a line AB here x minus 2 by 2 minus 5 equal to y minus 5 by 5 minus 6. But you know the formula of equation is x minus x1 by x1 minus x2 equal to y minus y1 by y1 minus y2. After calculation, whereas you get minus x plus 2 equal to minus thrice y plus 15. Was here x minus 2, y minus 5. 2 minus 5, that means minus 3. If you multiply it, then you get minus 3 into y, that means minus 3y. Minus 3 into minus 5, that means plus 15. Here 5 minus 6, that means minus 1. Minus 1 into x, that means minus x. Minus 1 into minus 2, that means plus 2. From this we can write x minus thrice y plus 13 equal to 0, which is our required answer. But here if we change the side, then you get this solution. Now if we solve another part of this problem, here again if the slope of the line AB is m1, then m1 equal to 5 minus 6 by 2 minus 5 equal to 1 by 3. Was here apply the formula y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. Then if the slope of the line CD is m2, then you get 5 minus 2 by minus 4 plus 3. Here slope is minus 3. Was here apply again this formula, which is y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. Here the multiplication of slope, that means m1 into m2, that is 1 by 3 into minus 3. That finally here get minus 1. So AB perpendicular CD. But you know, if the multiplication of slope is minus 1, then these lines are perpendicular to each other, which is condition for perpendicular we get from slope. But now we solve another problem, which is given here. Equations of two sides AB and BC of the parallelogram ABCD are twice x plus y minus 8 equal to 0, x minus y plus 2 equal to 0, and the coordinates of the point D is 2, minus 4. Find the equation of AD and DC. Solution. Here given this equation 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0, which is equation number 1. From this we collect this x minus y plus 2 equal to 0, which is equation number 2. But we collect it from there. Now lines 1 and lines 2 indicate the sides AB and BC respectively of parallelogram ABCD. According to the equation, intersecting points of CD and DA is D, whose coordinates is 2, minus 4. DC parallel AB. Let the equation of DC 2x plus y plus k equal to 0, which is equation number 1. Line number 1 passes through the point D, therefore 2 into 2 minus 4 plus k equal to 0. But 2 into 2, that means 4, 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So finally we get the value k equal to 0. Putting the value of k into equation 1, then we get 2x plus y equal to 0. It's the equation of DC, which is our required answer. Again, AD parallel BC. Let the equation of AD x minus y plus k1 equal to 0, which is equation number 2. Line number 2 passes through the point D. Therefore, 2 plus 4 plus k1 equal to 0. After calculation, we get k1 equal to minus 6. Here, 2 plus 4 equal to 6. If we change the side, then we get k1 equal to minus 6. Putting the value of k1 into 2, then we get x minus y minus 6 equal to 0. Here's the equation of AD. Now boys, we solve another problem. Find the equation of a straight line which passes through the intersecting point of two lines, thrice x plus twice y equal to 9 and twice x plus thrice y equal to 11 and perpendicular on first line. Solution. Equation of the given lines thrice x plus twice y minus 9 equal to 0. Twice x plus thrice y minus 11 equal to 0, which is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Applying cross multiplication in the equation of 1 and 2, we get x by minus 22 plus 27 equal to y by minus 18 plus 33 equal to 1 by 9 minus 4. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Here is an intersection point. But from this, after calculation, you get x by 5, y by 15, 1 by 5. If we take first part and third part, then we get the value of x is 1. And if we take second and third part, then we get y equal to 3. Intersecting point of lines 1 and 2 is 1, 3. Here, the point of intersection here. Let the equation of the perpendicular line on line number 1, then 2x minus 3y plus k equal to 0. which is equation number 3, which passes through the point 1, 3. So if we put this value in equation 3, then we get 2 into 1 minus 3 into 3 plus k equal to 0. After calculation, we get k equal to 7. Here, 2 into 1, that means 2. 2 minus 9, that means minus 7. So if we change the side, then we get k equal to 7. Putting the value of k into 3, then we get twice x minus thrice y plus 7 equal to 0. Because here we put the value in this equation. It's the equation of the required straight line. Now, as we solve another problem, find the equation of a straight line which passes through the intersecting point of two lines x minus thrice y plus 2 equal to 0 and x plus y minus 2 equal to 0 and parallel to x-axis. Solution. Given that x minus thrice y plus 2 equal to 0, here given x minus thrice y plus 2 equal to 0 and x plus y minus 2 equal to 0, x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Cross multiplying two equations, then we get x by 6 minus 2 equal to y by 2 plus 2 equal to 1 by 1 plus 3. But after calculation, you get x by 4, y by 4 equal to 1 by 4. That means the value of x and y is 1. So here intersection point is 1, 1. Let the equation of any line parallel to the x-axis is y equal to b, which is equation number 1. Line number 1 passes through the point 1, 1. So whereas here 1 equal to b, that means b equal to 1. Putting the value of b into equation 1, then we get y equal to 1. That means y minus 1 equal to 0, which is our required answer. Now, boys, this is the question. Line 2sk minus 3x plus thrice k minus 2y minus 4k minus 1 equal to 0 passes through a fixed point for any real value of k. Find the coordinates of the point. Solution. Here given equation 2sk minus 3 plus x plus thrice k minus 2y minus 4k minus 1 equal to 0. That means 2kx minus thrice x plus 3ky minus twice y minus 4k plus 1 equal to 0. After calculation, you get minus thrice x minus twice y plus 1 plus k twice x plus thrice y minus 4 equal to 0. For all values of k not equal to 0, straight line 1 indicates the straight line passes through the intersecting points of lines minus thrice x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0 and twice x plus thrice y minus 4 equal to 0, which is equation number 3. If we multiply this equation number 2 by 3, then we get minus 9x minus 6y plus 3 equal to 0. And if we multiply equation 3 by 2, then 4x plus 6y minus 8 equal to 0. By adding, we get minus 5x minus 5 equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 1. Putting the value of x into norm 3, that means minus 2 plus thrice y minus 4 equal to 0. Thrice y equal to 6. So y equal to 2. Coordinates of the required point minus 1, 2, which is our required answer. Another question. Find the equation of a straight line which passes through the intersecting point of two lines, x minus y minus 4 equal to 0 and 7x plus y plus 20 equal to 0 and parallel to y-axis. Solution. Equation of a straight line passes through the intersection point of two lines, given lines. Twice x minus thrice y plus 4 plus k into thrice x plus thrice y minus 5 equal to 0. After calculation, we get x first bracket 2 plus thrice k minus 3y first bracket 1 minus k first bracket plus 4 minus 5k equal to 0, which is equation number 1. The line is parallel to the y-axis, hence the coefficient of y is 0. That is 3 first bracket 1 minus k equal to 0. Finally, we get the value of k, which is 1. Putting the value of x into norm 1, then value of k into norm 1, then twice x minus thrice y plus 4 plus 1 plus thrice x plus thrice y minus 5 equal to 0. So here 5x minus 1 equal to 0. It's the required equation. Homework. Find the equation of a straight line which passes through the point 4, minus 3 and parallel to line twice x plus 11y minus 2 equal to 0. Boys, coronavirus has stopped our life. Follow these easy steps to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Disinfect surfaces around your home and work. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Cover your mouth when sneeze or cough. Try to avoid public gathering and follow the rules of World Health Organization so that you can save yourself from COVID-19. Thank you.